Hello and welcome back to week 2 in my series 30 days of teaching you how to teach abroad. Week two. I'm really excited this week, and I got my notes here because there's a lot of information coming at you this week. Okay, last week was just the intro, but now we're getting into the nitty gritty. So this week is all about preparation and the application process. So starting us off right this week with day 8, I am giving you some resume tips to make your resume stand out and pop so you can land that international teaching job. So like I said, I have my notes here so I don't miss anything. All right, so we're gonna just dive right into the resume tips. First and foremost, this probably makes sense, but just in case it might have slipped your mind, highlight any international experience. Did you study abroad for a little bit? Did you do a mini trip with CIEE over in Spain and teach English over there? Any experience that shows your ability to immerse yourself in a different culture is obviously going to be very well welcomed. So highlight any international experience that you have. Add any languages that you are proficient in, working towards to, baby, throw it all on there, okay? A lot of the international schools have very diverse populations. It is going to be of your greatest benefit if you can use that extra skill that you have. So absolutely highlight any language proficiency that you have. Number 3, any certifications that you have, put those babies on there. The CELTA, if you've done TEFL before, but make sure it's like a qualified TEFL one because sometimes them be float under the radar. Anything that is going to accentuate and build up your teaching skills with those certifications, add those in there. And then number 4, any work that you have done with diverse populations. Maybe you didn't have a chance to leave the country, but there's a certain school in your city that has a very diverse population, and you've been able to run an after-school program with them or teach English to those kids, okay? Any experience that shows that, again, that you can immerse yourself in a diverse population, you can work with diverse students, that is going to be to your benefit every single time. Okay, so let's recap real quick. Take notes, highlight any international experience, any language proficiency that you have, any of your certifications, and any work you have done with diverse populations is going to set your resume apart and land you that international teaching job. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and comment and share with a friend. And tune in tomorrow for day 8, where I will be giving you tips on how to perfect your cover letter. I will see you then.